Hi, this is Anna with Spirit Hoops, and I want to show you the best way to switch out your Spirit Hoops covers. It's actually really simple, but I'm a visual person and always like a quick video when I'm learning something new. The first thing you'll want to do after you've selected an awesome new pair of covers to switch into is to transfer your current covers to a spare set of inserts for storage. Step 1 is to identify the front or outward facing side of your Spirit Hoop. You can tell it's the front because it's the side with the seam. Once you've found the seam, slide the cover about halfway down the earring, like this. Now take your spare insert and slide it into the cover along the back side, so both the earring and the insert are about halfway covered. You can now remove the earring and slide the cover the rest of the way onto the insert. Now you can move your new covers from the inserts to bare hoops. Again, step 1 is to identify the front of the cover by locating the seam. Now slide the cover about halfway down the insert and then slip your earring into the cover so that both the earring and the insert are about halfway covered. Next, remove the insert and slip the cover the rest of the way onto the earring. Make sure your seam is nice and smooth, and voila! One other thing, you have a right and a left earring, so make sure the clasps don't both face in the same direction when you're looking at the front of the earring. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for other useful videos, style tips, and Spirit Hoops news. Hi, this is Anna with